Hey fans, exciting news about Halil Ibrahim Sehan is here for all Halil Ibrahim Sehan admires. The talented actor is making a grand return to television with a brand new series produced by one of the industry top production companies. This project has already created a buzz among his fans who are eagerly waiting to see him back on screen. In this upcoming series, Halil Ibrahim Sehan will share the spotlight with a talented co-star, adding even more anticipation to this thrilling venture. Although the full details about the plot of Halil Ibrahim character are still under wraps, it's clear this series promises to be something extraordinary. Fans are speculating about the storyline and many are hoping to see Halil in the role. This showcase his incredible acting skills. The production team is known for delivering high quality drama, so expectations are sky high for this one. We will be keeping you updated with all the latest information about this exciting project, from details about the cast and storyline to the production team vision. We will cover it all, plus we are bringing you exclusive behind the scenes moments to give you a sneak peek into the making of this series. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. You don't miss any update. Share your thoughts any exciting in the comments. What kind of role do you think Halil will take on this time? Stay tuned for more details as uncover everything about Halil Ibrahim Sehan highly anticipated TV series. Halil Ibrahim Sehan new TV series marks another milestone in his Floria's life career. Over the years, he has captured hearts with his powerful performances, charming personality, and undeniable on-screen presence. This latest venture is expected to feature solidity his passion on the one of the most talented and beloved actor in the industry. Fans are participated thrilling because Halil projects are known for their emotional depth and engaging storyline, making this series a highly anticipated addition to his impressive portfolio. While the production company is keeping the detail under the wraps for now, their growing excitement about who Halil Ibrahim co-star will be speculation are already running wild, with fans debating online about potential pairing that could create unforgettable chemistry on screen. Halil has a history of sharing fantastic all screen dynamics with his co-stars, so are the announcement of his co-lead will be undoubtedly generate even more buzz for the series. What's are ingrading in the choice of production team for his project, known for delivering hits show that leave a lasting impression. The team behind Halil new series has a reputation for creating visually stunning and emotionally gripping dramas. With such a talented crew working on the project, fans are expected a series that not only highlights Halil's acting skills but also offers an impressive form cinematically. The music even aspects are likely to be crafted with care. As the release date draws closer, fan communicates are already organization watch parties and creating social media campaigns to show their support for Halil. The excitement is palpable with fans all over the world expressing their love and anticipation. Whatever it's sharing artwork, posting fans, ending discussion theories about the storyline. Halil fandom is gearing up his life protect from a basic success. It's clear that his new TV series is just not a show, it's an event that brings his global fan base even closer together. Halil Ibrahim Sehan return to television also signals a fresh chapter in his career, offering him the chance to explore new character dynamic lifestyles. Many fans are hoping that series will showcase a different side of his acting talent, perhaps through a more complex of challenging role. Halil Ibrahim Sehan ability to bring depth and emotion to performance. It's no surprise that expectations are sky high. His past role had demonstrated his knack for portraying Liar director and this new series could take his craft to the next level. Meanwhile, the industry is buzz with predictions about how the series could impact Halil already impressive reputation with a talented production team and co-star yet to be relieved. The series has also the integration of the become a major hit if the storyline and character develops resonate with the viewers. Halil might not only win over exciting fans but also attracts a new audience. This project could also open doors for international opportunities. Meanwhile, the industry is prediction about how this series could impact Halil Ibrahim's impressive reputation with the talented production team and co-star yet to be relieved. The series has all the ingredients to become a major hit of the series if the storyline and character development resonate with viewers. Halil might not only win over exciting fans but also attracts a new audience. This project could open door for the international opportunities as his popularity continues to grow beyond Turkey. In the lead up of the show, cast premium fans are eagerly following every update from the casting announcement to behind the series glimpse shared on social media. Halil fan base is particularly active online where hashtag and trending posts about his new series are already gaining traction. The excitement and support from his followers demonstrating the powerful connection Halil has built with his audience over the years. As the anticipation builds, one thing is certain: this new series is set to be significant moment in Halil Ibrahim Sehan's career and thrilling experience for his fan base. Its lead to be show premium fans are eagerly following every update of Halil Ibrahim Sehan in this series. The series is maybe very trending in Turkish and English media platforms.